Karnataka Government is preparing the Karnataka Apartment Ownership and Management Bill 2026 to address long-standing concerns of apartment owners regarding ownership rights, governance and management. Apartment residents associations have been demanding a separate law for several years, citing issues related to property ownership, registration, maintenance management and legal recognition of apartment associations. Karnataka Chief Minister D.K Shivakumar held a discussion with representatives of apartment residents associations in Bengaluru on July 15th and assured that the government is committed to ensuring affordable, legally recognized property ownership and complete legal rights for every property owner. He said the draft bill has been prepared under his guidance and citizens can submit suggestions and concerns to the Minister for Bengaluru City Development until August 6th. The Chief Minister highlighted challenges faced by middle-class home buyers, including problems related to property purchase agreements, registration and technical approvals, and said the new law aims to create a transparent and secure system for apartment ownership. On digital property governance, D.K Shivakumar reiterated that the e-Khata system has improved property record management. Out of nearly 40 lakh properties in Bengaluru, more than 26 lakh properties have already received e-Khatas, while the remaining properties will be brought under the digital system in the coming years. He also stated that the government is creating separate corporations in Bengaluru as part of administrative decentralization to address issues faced by residents, including those around Kempegowda International Airport and Electronic City. These measures are part of the Greater Bengaluru initiative aimed at improving urban governance. Highlighting Bengaluru's investment potential, D.K Shivakumar said the city offers more affordable property prices compared to Mumbai, making it attractive for global investors. He added that preparations are underway for a second airport for Bengaluru, describing it as a key step towards making the city a global investment hub. The meeting was attended by Bengaluru Development Minister Krishna Bairegowda, Transport Minister Bhairathi Suresh, Energy and Tourism Minister K.G. George, BDA Chairman N.A. Harris and Federation of Apartment Associations President Rajiv Gowda. Apartment owners are now looking forward to the final shape of the bill, with their main demand being a strong legal framework that protects ownership rights, ensures transparent apartment management and provides solutions to long-standing property-related issues. So viewers, what's your take on this? Share your thoughts in the comment section. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.